today's video, we're talking about how to start a high-profit service-based business using just one tool, and that's GoHighLevel. Whether you're a total beginner or looking for a quick way to launch your first offer, this strategy is perfect if you want to skip the overwhelm and start making income fast. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and we're going to walk through how to pick your service, set up your business, and use GoHighLevel to automate the entire thing. So first off, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform built for freelancers, agencies, and service-based businesses. Instead of paying for separate tools to build landing pages, send emails, book appointments, and manage clients, GoHighLevel lets you do everything from one dashboard. Let's dive into some of the key features that make GoHighLevel a go-to choice. First off, the funnel builder. You can create drag and drop sales funnels that convert visitors into leads without needing a web designer. Next is the booking system. So you can let potential clients book appointments or discovery calls directly on your site. Next is the CRM and pipeline tracking. So you can manage and track all of your leads from inquiry to conversion using visual pipelines. They also have automated email and SMS follow-ups, so you can send reminder confirmations or nurture sequences automatically without lifting a finger. They also have a workflow builder, so you can customize every stage of the client journey with conditional logic and timed automations. Reputation management. You can also collect and publish Google reviews to boost social proof for your clients. And lastly, you can white label options. If you're building an agency, you can completely rebrand GoHighLevel as your own platform. With GoHighLevel, you don't just offer a service, you offer a system. And when you sell systems, clients stick around longer, refer others, and pay more. So why service-based businesses are perfect for beginners? If you want to make money quickly online, service-based offers are one of the fastest and lowest risk ways to start. You don't need to invest in inventory, build a full brand, or have an audience in place. You just need to offer a skill or a service that solves a problem for someone else. People and businesses are always looking to save time, reduce stress, or get better results. That's why they're happy to pay freelancers or service providers who can step in and take work off their plate. You also get paid much faster. Unlike digital products or affiliate marketing, you don't have to wait weeks or months to see income. Send an invoice tomorrow and get paid within days. Here are some service ideas that are easy to start, don't require certifications, and can be sold at a premium. First off, we've got social media management. So you can create posts, manage accounts, and grow engagement. There's also virtual assistant services. You can handle inboxes, scheduling, and admin tasks. Even online tutoring or coaching. So you can offer help in subjects like writing, math, business skills, or mindset. Resume/CV writing services help job seekers craft resumes and cover letters. Presentation design, build pitch decks or PowerPoints for clients. Personal finance consulting, so you can help people budget, manage debt, or save. Customer support outsourcing, so offer frontline support via email or chat. Systems and automation setup. You can use tools like GoHighLevel to set up sales systems for clients. These services are in demand, simple to deliver, and give you room to raise your rates as you grow. So step number one is to pick one service you can offer this week. The first step is choosing one service you can offer confidently. Don't overthink it. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one or two steps ahead of the person you're helping. Start by asking yourself, what tasks do I already do for myself or others? Have friends or coworkers ever come to me for help with something? What kind of work have I done in past jobs? Is there something I'm learning that I could monetize as I go? Let's say you used to organize your boss's calendar and handle customer emails. You could turn that into a virtual assistant offer. Or maybe you've been learning GoHighLevel for your own business. You could offer to set it up for coaches or local businesses who don't have time to figure it out for themselves. Pick one service and stick with it. Package it into a clear offer with defined outcomes. For example, I'll build you a custom resume and cover letter within 5 business days. Includes one round of revision, $149 flat rate. Or I'll set up your GoHighLevel funnel and calendar so clients can book you online. $500 flat rate. Keep it focused. Clarity sells. Step 2 is to set up your business on GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. GoHighLevel makes it incredibly easy to get your service business online in one place. Instead of juggling different platforms for landing pages, bookings, payments, automations, you can build everything inside one dashboard. Let's get into step-by-step how you can get started with GoHighLevel to set up your service. First, so what you want to do is click the link in the description below and follow along. You can actually get a 14-day free trial. So you'll click that, then you'll type in your company name, your full name, your email address, and your phone number, and then click go to step 2, and then you'll enter in a password. Here is everything that you need. We've got your your launchpad, your dashboard, conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, AI agents, marketing, automation, sites, memberships, media storage, reputation, reporting, and app marketplace. So what we're going to do first is choose a funnel template. First, we'll go to sites, and then we can create a new funnel, and you can use funnel AI or you can choose from templates. Templates are always a great way to go. Let's just say you have a health and fitness. You want to update the headline with a clear offer. You want to make sure you list what's included and add a button that links to a calendar to book maybe a strategy call or a payment form. Number 2 is to add a booking calendar. So you'll go to the calendar section and then you will have to set up a calendar. What you can do is create a calendar, and it can be a personal booking, a class booking, collective booking, round robin. There's so many different options, and then you can select the times that you're available, which calendars to look at, etc. So let's just say we want to add strategy call. You can also add a description if you would like. You'll select a team member, which you'll need to add that. You can change the meeting duration, your booking availability, and then you can, so maybe you only want to do Monday, Wednesday, and then that will be saved so you can share that on your funnel or page or even on Instagram or something like that. And then you can link the calendar to your funnel so people can book in one click. Okay, so number 3, we need to automate the workflow. Once someone books, GoHighLevel can automatically send them a confirmation email with the call details, a text reminder the day before, a thank you email after the call. You can also use the workflows tab to create this automation. So you can drag and drop steps, set delays, and personalize the content. So here you can see all the workflows. What we can do is create a new workflow, and we can select from a template. You also can start from scratch, but maybe this is appointment, confirmation, and reminder. So let's just say someone books a strategy call. Here is a template that we can use as a workflow. So as you can see, the trigger is appointment booked. Then they get a confirmation email. So 24 hours before the appointment, they'll get sent a 24-hour email reminder. 1 hour before the appointment, they'll get another email reminder as well as an SMS. And then they can wait 5 minutes and then a 5-minute reminder email and SMS. So you can customize all of this, but see how easy it is to just use one of their templated workflows, and you can easily set up automatic reminders. That way you don't have to manually text or email to remind people to actually show up to the strategy call. Number 4 is to collect payments. So if you charge flat fees, you can connect Stripe and embed a payment form right on your site. This is perfect for one-time services like resume writing, design packages, or consulting sessions. With all of this set up, you now have a fully functioning service business backend, a landing page, a calendar to book clients, automation to follow up, a way to get paid. You look super professional, and you didn't have to hire a developer or duct tape 5 tools together. Again, if you want to check out GoHighLevel, I've left the link in the description for you. Step number 3 is to get clients with simple, low-cost outreach. Now that your system is live, it's time to get clients. Don't wait for SEO or ads to kick in. Instead, go direct. Here are a few low-cost ways to find paying clients fast. DM local businesses. Find local service businesses on Instagram or Google Maps. Look for outdated websites or businesses with no booking system. Send a short, helpful message like, "Hey, I help local businesses XYZ. Would love to set something up for you." Or even post value on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is perfect for services like resume writing, presentation design, or virtual assistant work. Share tips, show before and after transformations, and talk about how your service helps people save time or make money. Next is join Facebook groups. There are thousands of groups for entrepreneurs, job seekers, freelancers, coaches, and more. Jump into conversations, offer helpful advice, and mention your service casually when it fits. You also can use cold email with a template. You can use GoHighLevel's email tools and send short personalized outreach messages. Keep it short, relevant, and valuable. A subject could look like, "Do you need help with your booking system? Hey, I came across your business. Are you currently taking bookings online? I help small businesses set up XYZ. Let me know if you want to take a quick look." You also can tap into your network. So let friends, coworkers, and former clients know you're offering a new service. Personal messages honestly go a long way. The key here isn't to pitch to 100 people in a day. It's to have 5 to 10 genuine conversations daily that lead to real work. Step number 4 is to deliver an amazing experience in Upsell. Once you land a client, your job is simple. Give them an awesome experience. When people feel taken care of, they'll come back and refer others. Here's how you could deliver like a pro. Communicate clearly and often. Set expectations, timelines, and deliverables upfront. Use GoHighLevel to send updates automatically. Use project check-ins. If your project takes more than a few days, automate check-ins to show your progress and keep your client engaged. Ask for feedback and testimonials. After a project, ask what they liked and how it helped. A quick sentence from a happy client goes a long way on your landing page. Once the project wraps, offer the next step. If you wrote a resume, offer to optimize their LinkedIn next. If you built their GoHighLevel funnel, offer a retainer to manage it monthly. This is how you grow from one-off work to repeat income. You don't need to spend months building a brand or creating a course to start making money online. You just need a simple service that solves a real problem and a clean setup that helps you look professional and stay organized. GoHighLevel lets you do all of that from one dashboard. You can build funnels, set up booking calendars, send automated follow-ups, and get paid all in one single tool. If you're ready to launch your service business this week, check out the link in the description to get started with GoHighLevel and get access to a 14-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real scalable income streams using smart digital tools and simple systems. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.